welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing DIY. So I got these salt and pepper shakes at center of town for $2. $2. That means $1 each basically. So these are just ordinary things. You could get them really anywhere, I think. And they're pretty, but not as pretty. So we will be making them beautiful. Well, basically you will be making them beautiful. So I have two tapes. I have a silver sparkly and a gold sparkly. So I'm going to use that and just basically put the tape around it. And it will be prettier than how it is now. So first step, opening up the wash tape. It's very satisfying. Then open up the other wash tape. I'm using 2 colors. You could use more. I'm just doing plain, simple, and fancy, hopefully. So I have these 2 and these 2. I'm probably going to do a pattern, but yeah. So let's get started. How do you open it? Okay, one problem, guys. So, I cannot open up the tape. Yay! We opened up the tape! Yay! It's very hard actually because it blends in or something. Okay. Sarah Devorah's life crisis. Let's go back. So, guys, we did our first layer. It's nice, it's not beautiful, but it will be. Trust me. And especially if you guys make it. The short out of this world, for sure. So, let's get started again. Okay guys, so we just finished, well, I just finished my first one. Some of them are a little bit like, not perfect, but that's fine. I think it's a super cute, easy, adorable idea, DIY. And it's totally like cheap. I'm sure you guys have these around your house. It might not be these colors, but any colors, you know, it doesn't even have to be sparkly. Just, I think it's really cute. You could add like stickers or anything, like maybe a P for pepper or S for salt, something like that. But yeah, I only did one now because it is kind of like, yeah, I might want to get more colors and things, but yeah. So let's, I think we finished. I don't know how long it took me. Probably about 5 minutes. Probably less, actually. So let's say you just want to keep the time going a little faster. Let's say you're waiting for something exciting. So this would be a perfect idea. And you could really use any of these salt shakers. It doesn't have to even be with the design. The design makes it kind of like harder. But let's see. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope to see you next time. Bye!